Hey, what's up guys? And today I've got Honor Band 5i with me that I'm going to unbox. So let's go ahead and take a look at the specifications first for this fitness tracker. So we have got stylish watch faces, plug and charge, we've got sleep tracking, continuous heart rate monitoring, we've got 9 workout modes, 50-meter water resistance, and then we have some smart notifications for calls and messages. And this one also has 0.96 inch LCD panel with a resolution of 160 by 80, and this one also has SpO2 monitoring, so that's good. And it also has a 7 days battery life. Not as good as Mi Band 4, but it will do. Let's unbox it. And there we go. So that's the band, guys. We have standard rubber strap here with buckle. It says Honor here, and that's how it is. Now, as you have seen that we haven't got a charger in the box, so the way you charge this band is actually quite unique from other bands that I have used. So you just press it, take the band off, and then we have a USB connector here, and then you simply connect it with a USB port that I have here, and it turns on like that. And then let's go through the setup like this. So battery's at 75%. Let's take this off, we don't need it. Now at the end of this video I will actually compare this with Mi Band 4, because between this and Mi Band 4 there are quite a bit of similarities and differences as well, so it will be quite interesting, so make sure you stick till then. Now it is asking me to download Huawei Honor app on my phone and connect it, so I'm gonna do that and come back. So there you go guys, we are connected now with the Huawei Health app on my phone, and now you can actually just swipe down to go through different options here. So we have heart rate data, steps, we have got sleep tracking here, workouts, and then you can just swipe right to go one step back. And if we go in sleep tracking here, so we don't have anything right now because we have not used it. If we go in more, here we have some extras like timer, stopwatch. You can also change the faces here. So there we go, we have different faces, actually just 3 of them. We have find phone option. If you tap on it, it will start ringing your phone, so you can do that. We have brightness options, stopwatch, battery, so you can take a look at the battery as well. Let's put it on and see how this one looks. So this here is Mi Band 4. Let's put this on as well. So there we go, we have Honor Band 5i and Mi Band 4. So now guys, it's time to compare the two bands, Honor Band 5i and Mi Band 4. So as you can see, they look pretty much similar. Screen size is also quite similar, not too much of a difference here. We have a home button on both of them. This one, Honor Band 5i, has LCD panel, whereas Mi Band 4 has an AMOLED display. The resolution on Mi Band 4 is also higher, so Mi Band 4 has a resolution of 120 by 240, whereas Honor Band 5i has a resolution of 160 by 80. The battery on Mi Band 4 is 20 days and the battery on Honor Band 5i is 7 days. Both are 50-meter water resistant, so that's good. There is a heart rate monitor on Honor Band 5i as well as SpO2 sensor, but there is only heart rate monitoring on Mi Band 4. So guys, that was the brief comparison between these two bands. If you want to know more, if you want me to do a full video and compare these two bands, let me know in the comments as well, so I can do that for you. And that's about it from this video guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and also consider subscribing to the channel and hitting that bell icon for future video updates, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye.